Our top news this week. Sony recently announced two highly anticipated full-frame lenses designed for sports and wildlife photography. The new Sony G-Master 600mm f4 prime lens is packed with Sony's most advanced optical technology, ensuring corner-to-corner sharpness and impeccable build quality that is a must for sports photographers. With a price tag of around £12,000, the new 600mm f4 G-Master is optically stabilized and weighs just around 3 kilograms, which is more than impressive given its class. The lens is weather-sealed and has an internal focus design, while the extreme dynamic linear AF motors have been designed to ensure super-fast autofocus when paired with the latest Sony full-frame mirrorless cameras such as the A9 and the A7 III. On the other hand, the new Sony FE 200 to 600mm f5.6 to 6.3 offers a more compact package in a zoom lens form factor for about a tenth of the price, and is more oriented towards photographers and filmmakers who need the flexibility. Following the successful Dragon X shooting kit, Red has announced a new Red DSMC2 Gemini 5K kit offering around 7% savings compared to buying accessories and Red modules separately. Except for a lens, the all-in-one shooting kit comes with everything you need to start filming with the latest Gemini 5K camera. The Red Gemini 5K kit comes with an aluminum Canon EF mount, the Red Touch 7-inch monitor, an out-trigger handle, a 960GB mini-mag with a reader, and a couple of IDX batteries with a charger. Blackmagic Design have just released Resolve 16 Beta 4 version, including new improvements and bug fixes based on feedback from colorists and editors. New improvements in Beta version 4 include new support for audio crossfades on the Fairlight page, as well as the much-needed support for Rec 2020 tagging on video monitoring outputs and improved YouTube render settings. Resolve 16 Beta 4 also gets better handling of resizing between editing and fusion, and improved alpha channel support in color managed workflows, among many other improvements. Well, that's it for this week. We'll be back next week with more news in 90 seconds.